Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into some amazing tips for healthy eating on a budget. Get ready to learn because we're about to turn your kitchen into a lean, mean, healthy eating machine. Let's get started. The first step to eating healthy on a budget is to get organized and plan your meals in advance. Start by mapping out your meals for the week ahead. What are you going to have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Once you know, make a shopping list and stick to it. No more wandering the aisles like a lost puppy, buying whatever catches your eye. This is about being smart, being strategic. When you plan your meals, you're less likely to make impulsive purchases or order expensive takeout. Now get yourselves a notepad and pen, and let's start planning some brilliant meals. Let's talk about buying in bulk because this is where you can really start to save some serious money. When you buy in bulk, you're essentially cutting out the middleman and reducing packaging costs, which means more savings for you. There are certain staples that are always cheaper when you buy them in larger quantities. Items like rice, pasta, beans, lentils, and oats are perfect examples. Think about the things you go through quickly: rice, pasta, beans, lentils, oats. These are all ingredients that have a long shelf life and can be bought in bulk without going bad. These items are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, making them a smart choice for bulk buying. Plus, having a well-stocked pantry means fewer trips to the store, saving you time and gas money. And don't even get me started on the savings you'll make on things like nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. These items can be quite expensive when bought in small packages, but buying in bulk can significantly reduce the cost per unit. Buying in bulk isn't just about saving money, it's also about reducing waste. Use airtight containers, mason jars, whatever you need to keep your ingredients fresh and organized. By doing this, you're not only saving money but also contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. Keeping your bulk items in airtight containers ensures they stay fresh for longer, reducing the chances of spoilage and waste. You might spend a bit more upfront, but trust me, you'll save money in the long run. The initial investment in bulk items and storage containers will pay off as you see your grocery bills decrease over time. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing those savings add up month after month. It's a great feeling to know you're making smart financial choices. And that's what we're all about here, isn't it? Making smart choices that benefit both our wallets and the planet. So start buying in bulk and watch your savings grow. One of the best ways to eat healthy on a budget is to get friendly with your local fruit and veg vendor. When fruits and vegetables are in season, they're more abundant, which means they're cheaper. Not only that, but they taste a lot better too. Check out your local farmers markets, have a chat with the vendors, and get to know what's fresh and in season. And don't be afraid to experiment with new fruits and vegetables. Step outside your comfort zone and try something different. Now get out there and explore the bounty of the season. Cooking at home is the cornerstone of healthy eating on a budget. Cooking at home gives you complete control over the ingredients you use, the portions you serve, and most importantly, the flavor. You can easily make a healthy, delicious meal at home for a fraction of the cost of a restaurant meal. And the leftovers? Well, those are just bonus meals waiting to happen. It's time to reclaim your kitchen and start cooking up a storm. Leftovers are not the enemy. In fact, they're a golden opportunity to stretch your budget and reduce food waste. Think of leftovers as a blank canvas, ready for you to transform them into something new and exciting. A simple roast chicken can be reincarnated as a hearty soup, a flavorful salad, or a satisfying sandwich filling. Get creative with your leftovers. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors and textures. Add some spices, herbs, or a splash of sauce to liven things up. You can even use leftovers as a base for entirely new dishes. One of my favorite ways to use up leftovers is to make a frittata. Remember, leftovers are your friends, not your foes. Embrace them, experiment with them, and never let them go to waste. Let's talk about protein, one of the essential building blocks of our bodies. There's a common misconception out there that you need to spend a fortune on meat and fish to get your daily dose of protein. But that's far from the truth. Plant-based proteins are not only good for your health, but they're also incredibly affordable and versatile. Take chickpeas, for example. They're packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, making them a great addition to any meal. Beans, lentils, chickpeas, tofu. These are all nutritional powerhouses that won't break the bank. They are easy to find in any grocery store and can be used in a variety of dishes. Lentils, for example, are a fantastic source of protein and fiber, and they're incredibly versatile. You can cook them in large batches and use them throughout the week. You can use them in soups, stews, salads, or even as a meat substitute in burgers and meatballs. They absorb flavors well, making them a great base for many recipes. Tofu is another fantastic plant-based protein source that often gets a bad rap. But when prepared correctly, it can be delicious and satisfying. Tofu absorbs the flavors of whatever you cook it with, so don't be afraid to experiment with different marinades, sauces, and spices. The possibilities are endless. Stir-frying tofu with a variety of colorful vegetables can create a quick, nutritious, and delicious meal. It's all about how you season and cook it. Eating more plant-based proteins is good for your health, your wallet, and the planet. These foods are lower in saturated fats and can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. So what are you waiting for? Get cooking. Embrace the Vegemite and discover the endless possibilities of plant-based proteins. Your body, your wallet, and the planet will thank you. If you want to eat healthy on a budget, you need to get friendly with your local farmers market. These vibrant hubs of fresh produce offer more than just fruits and vegetables. These markets are a treasure trove of fresh seasonal produce at prices that will make your wallet sing. From juicy tomatoes to crisp apples, the variety is endless. Forget those sterile supermarket aisles where everything looks the same and lacks flavor. We're talking about real food, grown with love and care by local farmers who are passionate about what they do. These farmers put their heart and soul into their work, ensuring you get the best quality. You can often get better deals at farmers markets than you would at the supermarket, especially if you shop in season. Seasonal shopping not only saves you money, but also ensures you get the freshest produce available. The fruits and vegetables at farmers markets are often picked at the peak of ripeness, which means they're bursting with flavor and nutrients. This freshness is something you just can't find in a supermarket. Imagine biting into a peach that's so juicy it drips down your chin, or a tomato that's so flavorful it transforms your salad. These experiences are what make farmers markets special. The produce is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients, making it a healthier choice for you and your family. Farmers markets are a great place to connect with local farmers, learn about where your food comes from, and support small businesses. It's a win-win situation. You get to know the people who grow your food, and they get to know their customers. This connection fosters a sense of community and trust, something that's often missing in today's fast-paced world. Plus, your money goes directly to the farmers, helping them sustain their livelihoods. So ditch the supermarket and head to your nearest farmer's market. The atmosphere is lively, the people are friendly, and the food is unbeatable. Your taste buds and your wallet will thank you. Enjoy the vibrant colors, the fresh scents, and the unbeatable flavors that only a farmer's market can offer. Let's talk about processed foods, because these are the real budget busters. Not only are they bad for your health, but they're also terrible for your wallet. Those prepackaged meals, sugary drinks, and salty snacks might seem convenient, but they're costing you a fortune in the long run. Processed foods are often loaded with sugar, salt, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. They're designed to be addictive, not nutritious. And the more you eat them, the more you crave them. Processed foods are often more expensive than whole, unprocessed foods. Stick to whole, unprocessed ingredients like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Your body and your bank account will thank you. Fresh herbs are the secret weapon of any good cook, but they can also be expensive, especially if you're buying those little plastic packages from the supermarket. Growing your own herbs is easier than you think. You don't need a massive garden to grow your own herbs. A sunny windowsill or a small balcony is all you need to get started. Herbs like basil, parsley, cilantro, and mint are all relatively easy to grow, and they'll add a burst of fresh flavor to your dishes. So what are you waiting for? Get yourself some pots, some soil, and some herb seeds, and start growing your own culinary herb garden today. Staying hydrated is crucial for your health, but it doesn't have to cost a fortune. The best way to stay hydrated is also the cheapest: drink more water. Forget those sugary sodas, juices, and sports drinks. Water is all you need to quench your thirst and stay hydrated. And the best part? Water is free. You can drink it straight from the tap, or you can add some slices of fruit, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing twist. Keep a reusable water bottle with you at all times and sip on it throughout the day. So ditch the sugary drinks and embrace the power of H2O. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Now go forth and conquer those culinary challenges. See you next time.